Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Disconnect the negative battery terminal first to prevent shorts and accidental airbag deployment. This is essential before touching headlight wiring. Park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and allow the headlight bulbs to cool for at least 10 minutes if recently used. Gather a 10 mm socket, a 13 mm socket, a ratchet, a trim removal tool, and a clean rag. Wear gloves to avoid oils on bulbs, and keep a small container for bolts so you don't lose the 4 fasteners. Remove the upper grille to access the headlight. Start by removing 4 10 mm bolts along the top edge using a 10 mm socket and ratchet. Next, release 3 plastic clips with a trim tool or flat screwdriver, then pull the grille forward gently to clear the bumper lip. It will come free with moderate pressure. Set the 4 bolts and 3 clips in a labeled container to avoid mix-ups. Work one side at a time so you can compare fit and reassembly, and keep a floor mat under parts to prevent scratches. With the grille removed, unplug the headlight connector by depressing its locking tab and pulling the connector straight back to avoid bending pins. Remove the 2 13 mm bolts securing the top of the headlight and the lower fastener or plastic pushpin holding the bottom. Keep these 3 fasteners together. Gently pull the assembly forward about 1 to 2 inches and tilt out from the vehicle to free it. Replace the bulb or swap the assembly, reinstall the 3 fasteners hand tight, reconnect the wiring, reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.